In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an event in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or coordinating events across the team, knowing how to duplicate events can be a real time saver. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and head over to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you should see your calendar laid out either by day, week, or month, depending on your chosen view settings. Now find the specific event that you want to copy. Once you've identified the right one, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up either an event preview card or the full event details, depending on how your calendar is set up and where you've clicked. Either way, you're now ready to move on to the next step. Keep an eye out for the 3 vertical dots, which represent the More Actions menu. You usually find this icon within the event details or on the event preview card. Clicking on this will open up a menu of options related to the event. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Duplicate. By doing this, Google Calendar will create a new event for you that carries over all the details from the original. This can be incredibly useful if the event you're duplicating contains a lot of specific information or attachments that you don't want to manually re-enter. Now that you have the duplicated event, you can go ahead and change any details as needed. This could include modifying the date, time, location, or any other information relevant to the event. Remember, duplicating an event is a great way to ensure consistency while still allowing customization where it's necessary. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, the last thing to do is click the Save button. This will finalize the duplicate event and add it to your calendar. Make sure to double check that everything is correct, especially if you've made numerous changes. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to duplicate events in Google Calendar. This method is not only easy but also efficient, especially for those who frequently manage multiple events with similar details. Remember, mastering these small tips and tricks can significantly streamline your calendar management, making your life a bit more organized. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to revisit the steps as often as you need until duplicating events becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.